So we're talking about Madonna lilies, Lilium candidum, which are beautiful, tall, elegant lilies with white pendant scented flowers in late spring. You plant them in the early autumn. I've been growing them for a few years, but really very unsuccessfully. And I think the problem is that my soil is quite acid, and these are a lily that much prefer alkaline soil. Regrettably, I've made the decision I've got to give them all to Elaine to enjoy, because her soil is much chalkier. So I've dug all mine up, and I'm going to damp pack them in some moss like this to keep the roots nice and moist and plump. But we need to be quick, because this is an unusual lily. They like to make a little rosette of leaves like this to establish themselves before the winter sets in.
So here we are, we've arrived in Elaine's garden, much chalkier, and she is now going to plant these Madonna lilies at the right depth, I hope. As you can see, some of them have sprouted their little green top knot already, so that is going to need to be at sort of ground level, and those that haven't sprouted will be sprouting shortly. The soil is still nice and warm, night temperature still in double figures, so they will grow a little bit. I just really hope they do better for Elaine than they did in my garden. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and also follow our blog, the3growbags.com.